Okay, now we need to prepare the animations for our character. So we use the Mixamo, or we can use the other third-party software, okay, to animate it. Okay, we just search for the animation that we want. So it's a stamp, the melee one, right? Okay, the stamping. So okay, we get this one. Okay, so download. I'll need to sign in. Continue with Google's. Okay, so now we type it stem. Okay, we using this one. Okay, this animation. Okay, so for this one, we download for Unity without the skin. Okay, without the skin. So we just need the animation lah. Okay, and then we need to like stem, and then we so knife idle. Okay, stamping. So different stamping. Okay. So we have a combat system. So what type of melee attacks? ChatGPT. So we can search for the melee type. Okay, slasher. So we try with slash. Okay, so okay, well, I'm using the slash. Okay, but I think this one not really can use because it will move forward. Smash. Okay, I'm using this one and without the skin. Okay, and then another one, it can be kick. Okay, or trust. Okay, for the distance. Okay, I'm using this. Okay, download without the skin. So now mini tab I have 3 already. So download another 3 lah. Okay, so goes to your download, and get these 3. Okay, so now drag to your Unity. Okay, you put it in the animations here. Okay, oh, which one? Okay, I'll open the folders. Okay, set it as a attack. So this one, the one I'm downloading, these 3, just drag and drop to here and select all of them. Okay, goes to rig humanoid, apply. Okay, so now material no need. Okay, it's for your player amateur. Open this animator. Okay, we drag it any state to outside here. So we need to have a 6 type of the attack. Okay, now I only have 3. Previously I already have 3. So this one, okay, the different castings animation. So this one, I will go to the rig and change to humanoid, apply. Okay, so now, okay, we take the first melee, okay, the second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, this is the finest one. Okay, so we put it the first, second, third, fourth, okay, 5, 6. So now, okay, we make a transition for all of them. Make transition, make transition, make transition, make transition, transition, make transition. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we need to check our coding with our animator here. So our animator here, the first one is the melee. So melee index, so 0 is 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So means that, okay, we need to open our parameters here. Okay, it's trigger. So melee 1, melee 2, then melee 3. Okay, and then for our coding, the range will be range 1, 2, 3. Yeah, same thing. Range 1, range 2, now range 3. Okay, so this one is depend if you want to finish the animation already, then exit. So then you can make it after finish, it will goes to exit. Okay, so the first one, okay, the first transition, okay, the condition will be the melee 1, the second condition melee 2, third, okay, melee 3, this one melee, sorry, range 1, this one range 2, this one range 3. Okay, so now done already because of our coding this one. Okay, it will be asked, is it you have the animator or not? So trigger and descending, if we press the number of 0 here, attack 4, sorry, we press the 4, okay, you are sending the 0 here. So 0 plus 1, it will be the range 1, no? Something like this. So now we can test with our animation. So if we have 5, so it will be 5. Okay. Oops. So if we have 6, so it will be 6 as well. Okay. So now roughly done. We check with the melee. So if we go approach here, okay, so we press 1, so it will be have the animation with the first, second. Okay, so now we haven't add our colliders to our enemy, so remember to add the capture collider for your enemy. So make sure that you can fight. You can make it bigger size a bit. Okay, so now we check our coding. So means that if we have the collider, so we draw the overlap sphere. So if they are in the enemy layer, so enemy index, enemy tag damage to this. Okay, so if our enemy, this one, double click. So if our enemy die, okay, it will be 0 lah. So we try it out. Let's go first. So the enemy is dying now. Okay. So you can have attack damage here. So for your knife or for your player here, your melee attack here, you see the melee damage, you can change to the first one 10, 15 and 20.